Well, good morning, student. Today we'll discuss the derivative of parametric equation. Parametric equation. What is the parametric equation? Let's see. Here, math 4. Topic is parametric equation. Derivative of parametric equation. What is the parametric equation? Definition is, let y equal to f of x, f of theta, and x equal to g of theta. Theta is the parameter. And the equation are known as parametric equation. Parametric equation. So parametric equation definition this one. For a derivative dy by dx equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. दीटा इक्वेशन में दिया है एक्स एंड वाई दीटा इक्वेशन दिया है एक्स इक्वल टू दिया है जी ऑफ थीटा वाई इक्वल टू एफ ऑफ थीटा माने अर्थ होची एक्स एंड वाई दीटा इक्वेशन आउ गोटे वेरिएबल ऊपर डिपेंड करछि थर्ड वेरिएबल थीटा किबा आमे लिखि दे पारे ए टाइप रो मध्ये इक्वेशन एक्स इक्वल टू sin t वाई इक्वल टू cos t ए केस रे मध्ये आको पैरामीट्रिक इक्वेशन बोल कुआबो एडी कोन वेरिएबल थर्ड वेरिएबल होची t x and y दीटा वेरिएबल the equation का पर डिपेंड करछि t ऊपर डिपेंड करछि ये पैरामीटर टा होछि t एते पैरामीटर होछि थीटा एटा होछि एग्जांपल होछि एटा होछि एग्जांपल एडी dy by dx फाइंड आउट करिया पे फार्मूला होछि dy by dx फर्स्ट dx by एपटे कोन होछि t होछि dx by dt फाइंड आउट कराबो सॉरी dy by dt फाइंड आउट कराबो आगे सेकंड कोन कराबो dx by dt फाइंड आउट कराबो dy by dt केते आसबे dy by dt cos थीटा cos t रो डेरिवेटिव होची माइनस sin t डिवाइडेड बाय एपडे cos रो sin रो केते डेरिवेटिव dx by dt इक्वल टू cos t sin by cos इक्वल टू tan t आगे माइनस होची देन ऊपर पार्ट माइनस tan t एटा होची एग्जांपल एटा होची तार फार्मूला दिस इज द फार्मूला डेफिनेशन आउ तार डेरिवेटिव किन फाइंड आउट कराबो dy by d थीटा फाइंड आउट कराबो केस रे dx by d थीटा फाइंड आउट कराबो एग्जांपल होची एठी पैरामीट्रिक इक्वेशन होची t होची पैरामीटर dx by dt एंड dy by dt फाइंड आउट कराबो तापर डिवाइड कराबो dy by dt को dx by dt रे डिवाइड कराबो dy टा y टा ऊपर रे डिनोमिनेटर रे एटा न्यूमरेटर रे एटा होची डिनोमिनेटर रे सो को रिलेटेड आर रिलेटेड एग्जाम माने प्रॉब्लम्स गुडा अछि कोठी तार देखिबा एक्सरसाइज 7h of the element book रो 7h एक्सरसाइज रो अछि आर प्रॉब्लम गुडा को देखिया मोडे करछि नाउ लुक एट दिस सेकंड 2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 x equal to 80 square and y equal to 280 at t equal to 1 by 2. So here parameter कौन? What is the parameter? x equal to t पर डिपेंड करछि y टा मध्ये t पर डिपेंड करछि so t is the parameter. t is the parameter. तो हमें फाइंड आउट करिया dx by dt फाइंड आउट करिया dy by dt फाइंड आउट करिया एदिरा फाइंड आउट कला परे तापर dy by dx फाइंड आउट करी एटा लास्ट मोडे देखिया फर्स्ट यू कम dx by dt and derivative एटा कांस्टेंट t square और 2t t square 2t है ये कांस्टेंट एटी डेरिवेटिव फाइंड आउट कराबो dy by dt 2a कांस्टेंट t derivative y so now you find dy by dx formula dy by dt divided by dx by dt dy by dt equal to 2a divided by dx by dt equal to 2a t. 2a cot, this is 1 by t. At t equal to 1 by 2, ये कौन करेगा dy by dx, you put here t equal to 1 by 2, means जेती ऐसे dy by dx जेती ऐसे सेठी t पाखरे कौन कराबो 1 by 2 पुट कराबो 1 by t पाखरे 1 by 2, that equal to 2. This is the problem number 2 from the exercise 7h. Now another problem I will do for you. Problem number 3. Problem number 3, you look at how to find derivative. X equal to a cos q t. X equal to a cos q t and y equal to a sin q t. Y equal to a sin q t at t equal to pi by 4. T equal to pi by 4. So how to find again? Here the parameter equal to t. It t achi, it t achi. So parameter equal to t. Now first you find dx by dt. dx by dt equal to a 3 टाको आसीबो, डेरिवेटिव फाइंड आउट कराबो. A is a constant, d by dt of cos cube t into d by dt of cos t. चेंज फॉर्मूला आगे पावर वाल्यू तापर cos रो वाल्यू. A constant cos cube t रो 3 आगो आसीबो 3 cos square t and cos t रो डेरिवेटिव minus sin t. So minus terminality, so minus 3a sin t into cos square t. This is what dx by dt. Again you find dy by dt. dy by dt equal to similar way a is constant, d by dt of sin 2t into d by dt of sin t. So a constant, power 3 रो डेरिवेटिव केते आसीबो 3 टाको आसला 3 sin square t into sin t रो cos t. So this is what dy by dt. Then you find what dy by dx. dy by dx equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. dy by dt, what is the value? Here 3a sin square t into cos t divided by here dx by dt equal to minus 3a sin t cos cube t. For this one cos square t, 1 cos cot, 1 sin cot, 3a cot, remains sin t by cos t. Sin t by cos t, that equal to minus 10t. So here it is given at t equal to pi by 4. So you put now dy by dx equal to dy by dx at t equal to pi by 4. Here means t जोटी अछि pi by 4 put करा minus 10 pi by 4. Pi by 4 means 45 degree. Tan 45 degree equal to 1, so minus 1. So this is the answer. Okay. So here are the 5 problem. In a linear exercise, here are the 5 problem. I will show to you. Here the 5 problem, 7h, 5 problem, you practice this one. Now you come to another topic, that is differentiation of a function with respect to another function. Differentiation of a function with respect to another function. That is derivative of f of x with respect to g of x. ये टाइप दीटा दिया है तो g of x with respect to f of x with respect to g of x. So how to find the derivative of this? Take x let y equal to f of x and z equal to g of x. Two function f of x and g of x are there. You take y equal to f of x and z equal to g of x. Here y and x, so you find what dy by dx equal to f dash x. F dash ର ଅର୍ଥ ହଉଛି ଉପରେ ଏମିତି dash ଦେଇଦେଲେ यार डेरिवेटिव ଟାକୁ फंक्शन ଟାରେ dash ରେ ମଧ୍ୟ रिप्रेजेंट କରାଯିବ dash. So here you find dz by dx equal to g dash x. यार g dash x meaning jaha dz by dx था. So now you find dy by dz. एटा y अछि एपटे z अछि. dy by dz equal to here dy by dx divided by dz by dx. यार डेरिवेटिव डिवाइडेड बाय यार डेरिवेटिव को कौन कहते? दैट इज dy by dz. So you can also write f dash x divided by g dash x. F dash x divided by dz g dash x. So now you come. Here is the example to you. First example. Differentiate tan inverse x with respect to cos inverse x. Tan inverse x with respect to cos inverse x. Start solution. Let y equal to tan inverse x and z equal to cos inverse x. So here y and x. So you find what dy by dx. dy by dx equal to tan inverse x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square. Here dz by dx equal to cos inverse x derivative 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Minus 1 by root over this one. Both derivative out. Then you find dy by dz. It y अछि z अछि dy by dz. dy by dz equal to का डिवाइड कराबो dy by dx को dy by dx divided by dz by dx. dy by dx केते अछि 1 by 1 plus x square divided minus 1 by root over minus 1 this one. आपको सिंपल कर देले केते अछि एटा ऊपर पळे जो न्यूमरेटर को माइनस root over 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. This is the derivative. So a function with respect to another function. Here f of x. This is the what example. And from exercise I will do 1-2 problem for you. Now look at it. Exercise 7I from element. 7I from element book. Page number 221. Page 221. You look at third problem. You look at third. How to find? differentiate 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x with respect to 1 minus sin x by 1 plus sin x. Here we take what? Let y equal to this one, z equal to this one. Let y equal to 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. dy by dx equal to u by v method apply and find the derivative. So u by v method रे 1 plus cos x constant, derivative of dy dx of 1 minus cos x minus 1 minus cos x constant, derivative of 1 plus cos x whole by 1 plus cos x whole to the power 2 means whole square. और डेरिवेटिव केते 1 रो 0 cos x रो minus sin theta minus अछि plus हे जिवो. So here sin x into 1 plus cos x constant minus derivative केते minus sin x, but here minus you put here sin x 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x whole square. Similarly you multiply this one sin x 2 sin x into cos x, here sin x into cos x cancel by 1 plus cos x whole square remains. This is what dy by dx. Then you take what z equal to 1 minus sin x by 1 plus sin x. You find the derivative dz by dx. dz by dx equal to keep 1 plus sin x constant. Directly just I am putting 1 minus sin x derivative 1 minus sin x derivative 1 0 sin x minus cos x. Here 1 minus cos x constant, derivative of 1 plus sin x cos x divided by 1 plus sin x whole square. याको मल्टीप्लाई कर माइनस cos x साइड रहला माइनस cos x minus 2 cos x हाउ minus sin x cos x plus sin x cos x cancel, so remain 1 plus sin x whole square. So now you find dy by dx equal to ताको डिवाइड कराओ आपको dz by dy by dx divided by dz by dx. तर कितना इसला 2 sin x divided by 1 plus cos x whole square divided by dz by dx value minus 2 cos x divided by 1 plus sin x whole square. Then this one 2 to cot minus here sin x by cos x equal to tan x into it ऊपर बोले जो 1 plus sin x whole square divided by 1 plus cos x whole square. This is the final result, and you look at this exercise 7I up to 5 problems. You do that. Here, so important problem. From the previous exercise, important problems. Here, y to the power x equal to x to the power sin y. Important problems. Y to the power x equal to x to the power sin y. So how to find in this case? Take log both sides, then you get what? Log y to the power x equal to log x to the power sin y ये कौन कराबो ये पावर आगो पळेसी ये पावर आगो पळेसबो x log y is equal to sin y log x then u into v method apply कराबो ये u into v differentiate with respect to x कहता है are derivative log y constant x derivative 1 plus x constant log y derivative 1 by y equal to log y derivative 1 by y dy by dx और भाई y ର derivative with respect to x ର बाहर करा होची dy by dx लिखा है नेक्स्ट ये log x constant sin y derivative cos y dy by dx plus it is sin y constant log x derivative 1 by x a part dy by dx a part dy by dx सेपटू वाडतो एटा सेपटू नहीं कोण रहलाडी log x cos y dy by dx एटा सेपटू गले कोण आछो minus x by y dy by dx is equal to e एपटू गला e एपटू पड़े log y minus sin y by y through dy by dx कॉमन बाहर कर दो हमें dy by dx सेम डेरिवेटिव ए पार्ट नहीं तब डिवाइड कर दो देन dy by dx इक्वल टू कितना है वो ए पार्ट नहीं से डिवाइड कर दो cos सॉरी log y minus sin y by y डिवाइडेड बाय इटी dy by dx कॉमन बाहर कर दो कितना रहला देखिया log x cos y minus x by y so this is the derivative both side is the power is both side log niya abo so next one you look at another two problems you practice very important problem if there is any doubt then I will give some hints to you. Question number 10 you will get very important one. Question number 10. Sin x plus y equal to sin x plus y equal to y cos x plus y. Then we have to prove is there. Then in this case y equal to find y equal to a sin x plus y ये एपड़ो पड़ेसु cos sin x plus y by cos x plus y equal to tan x plus y. Then dy by dx equal to tan रो कहते हैं dy by dx of tan x plus y into dy by dx of x plus y. Tan derivative sec square x plus y और x plus y derivative x1 y derivative dy by dx then you multiply this one plus sec square equal to sec square x plus y plus sec square x plus y into dy by dx you simply multiply sec square x plus y into dy by dx left hand side dy by dx अछि ए dy by dx टा मु एपट वाड न लेडा सेपट नै जो एटा एपट वाड रहला केते sec square x plus y ये एपट वाइस ला माइनस हे जो इज इक्वल टू एपट गले कोन हो माइनस हो sec square x plus y dy by dx minus dy by dx so dy by dx कॉमन बाहर करा है जो dy by dx so sec square x plus y minus 1 sec square x minus 1 equal to tan square x plus y here tan square x plus y dy by dx tan x plus y equal to y so this is y square so y square dy by dx here look at minus x square x plus y को हमें लिख रहे minus 1 plus tan square x plus y because x square equal to 1 plus 10 square minus 1 plus 10 square x plus y equal to y square. So आमको दरकार dy by dx से y square टे पढ़ानी डिवाइड करना. dy by dx equal to minus 1 plus y square by y square. Very important one. So you complete up to this math. Next class we will start.